Ever wondered how to turn your ordinary bathroom into a luxury spa? Imagine trading the mundane for the magical, the ordinary for the opulent. Imagine a transformation that brings relaxation, rejuvenation, and a retreat right to your doorstep. A home spa is more than just a luxury. It's a haven. It's a cost-effective way to create a sanctuary without stepping outside your home. A place where tranquility meets comfort and the hustle and bustle of everyday life seems miles away. Stay tuned to discover how to create your personal sanctuary, step by step. Creating a spa-like atmosphere starts with setting the right mood. Imagine sinking into a warm bath with dimmed lights or flickering candles casting soft shadows. The scent of lavender or eucalyptus wafts through the air, calming your senses. Let's not forget the power of sound. A gentle playlist of soothing music or the tranquil hum of nature sounds can transport you to a place of serenity. With these elements combined, you're not just creating an atmosphere, you're crafting an experience. With the right mood, you've set the stage for your spa-like experience. The next step in creating your home spa is to focus on tactile comfort. Think about the sensation of sinking into a plush, fluffy towel after a hot bath, or the comfort of a soft robe and warm slippers. These simple additions can significantly enhance your spa experience, making your bathroom feel more like a luxurious retreat than just another room in your house. Now let's talk about the bath itself. The use of bath oils, salts, and bubbles can transform an ordinary bath into a decadent treat. These products not only smell divine, but they also nourish your skin, leaving it soft and glowing. But remember, the beauty of a spa lies in its tranquility. A clean, clutter-free environment is crucial. Clear away any unnecessary items, ensuring your space is serene and inviting. By focusing on tactile comfort, you're halfway to creating your home spa. The final step in creating your home spa involves adding the finishing touches. It's all about those little details that heighten the sense of luxury and relaxation. Consider incorporating plants into your space. They not only provide a natural feel, but also help in purifying the air. Imagine sinking into a warm bath, surrounded by lush, green foliage. It's like being in a tropical paradise without leaving your home. Next, think about convenience. A bath tray can be a game changer. It keeps your essentials within reach, whether that's a good book, a glass of wine, or a fragrant candle. It's all about creating a personalized experience. And let's not forget comfort. A plush bath pillow can take your relaxation to the next level. It's like lounging in a cloud, making your bath time even more enjoyable. With these finishing touches, you've successfully transformed your bathroom into a luxury spa. And there you have it, your ordinary bathroom is now a luxury spa. Remember the magic of transformation, setting the mood, the power of touch, and the finishing touches. Be creative, make it personal, and above all, relax. Enjoy your new luxurious spa experience right at home.